Hey guys, we have Logitech, kinda trusty, and as you can see, we use it, MX Master 3. So the issue is the button doesn't register. You really need to click really hard. So I used to have the same on my right button click that it was fixed successfully. So again, before kind of throwing this out, this is the whole mouse, we'll try to fix mouse click again. And it's not software, it's definitely a physical one. Again, over time it seems to be not register the click, and we'll show you the button itself inside. So again, how to do this: remove all this, again just using probably just a flat screwdriver. So again, you most probably need some set of Phillips and special kind of star locking. I will show you. So again, just make sure that you got most probably set of tool set for that matter. Okay, moving that aside, let's open up. I already removed both of them here. And again, the one hidden. Again, you don't need to use the top one. We remove only from the bottom one. Again, keep this, you most probably will be able to reuse. If not, again, you will kind of have with no pads, it's kind of okay. So again, we have 5 screws here and 1 star locking in here. Again, let me focus. For Phillips, yeah, just got the smaller one. Again, unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and 1 more hidden here. Again, in your case, just make sure it's deep inside, so I barely can reach with my extension. Just make sure that yours also long enough to kind of have a good grab there. So another one is star looking, it's 6-1, so I will just go through my adapters to find the right one, small ones that make sure it's fit correctly. You're going through the motions, it should be the smallest one. Again, from my set, not the smallest, but small enough. So again, going here. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, and here's the moment of truth. So starting from the bottom, crack it open. Here we go. So we got, and again, we don't need to take this part aside, so be careful, because again, bottom and the upper part again connected. So we most probably will work around to do this again. Here's where the fix goes. Click here and click here. So it's functional, seems to be, at least on my pro look. Again, not pro by any means with repairing these things. And you can see, like, back to my fix previous one, right one. So what I did, I basically put the additional layer of even the same piece of that I repurposed, as I cannot glue it back. So as you can see, it's here, so it's supposed to be staying there. And I will cover up here with 1 more. Let's do this, and again, I will repurpose 1 strap that I use it, again, remove it from the bottom of mouse. So again, from that strap, I just cut this, so you most probably can use any other kind of tape, scotch out there. Most probably, if it will be like thin, most probably do 2-3 layers. And what to do, basically cover, I will cover this portion. And again, as you can see, that stick to this one here, so it's all right. Hopefully it will stay, because I also need right button click. Okay, so what we're gonna do, basically nothing fancy. It's glue on one side, which is kind of, well, should help for time being, and cover it back on. So let's click it. Okay, so we're on. It didn't click completely. Let me wiggle around. So the idea to basically click it more firmly here, and everything should be good. So yeah, it's more clicky. Sensitivity will be off. remember when I did the fix for this one, it's really a relatively super small subset will trigger the click. So again, over time it's kind of cool it down. And this one I see that it's definitely sticking out more than most probably I need. But again, at least let me just see if it truly works. Yeah, and sensitivity is way up. So yeah, so this is a fix again. Just 5 screws, and normal Phillips and one kind of star locking, and just put the layer on the click button to prolong the existing of the mouse itself. Okay, again, it was Logitech MX Master 3. Yeah, button clicks fix. We can hardware one, not software. Thank you for watching. See you next one. Thank you. Bye.